Easy as pie, unpacking an English idiom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its many quirks. Today, we're exploring a deliciously interesting phrase. It's as easy as pie. Ever wondered what pie has to do with ease? Stick around as we slice into the meaning, origin, and usage of this popular English idiom. The phrase, "It's as easy as pie," is a classic English idiom used to describe tasks or activities that are very easy or simple to accomplish. The key here is the comparison to pie, not the making of it, which can be quite intricate, but rather the ease of enjoying it. Eating a pie is pleasurable and effortless, which is how the task in question is framed. Tracing back to the 19th century, the phrase, "as easy as pie," has evolved from earlier expressions like, "as nice as pie," and "pie," being used to describe something as pleasant or agreeable. Pies have been a staple in American and British cuisine, symbolizing comfort and indulgence. Over time, easy replaced nice to emphasize simplicity and effortlessness, making the idiom what it is today. Using "it's as easy as pie" is straightforward. It's often used in informal settings, perfect for casual conversations. For example, "Don't worry about setting up the new software, it's as easy as pie." "I thought that puzzle would be hard, but it was as easy as pie." It can also be used in questions or negative forms to convey the opposite meaning, albeit less commonly. "You think getting a perfect score on the test is as easy as pie?" English is rich with idioms that convey ease and simplicity. Here are a few more for your arsenal. Piece of cake, walk in the park, a breeze. Each of these can be used interchangeably with "as easy as pie," depending on the context and your preference. And there you have it. A closer look at the idiom, "it's as easy as pie." We hope this explanation helps you understand not just the meaning but the cultural nuances behind this phrase. English is full of such colorful expressions, and we're here to help you navigate them with ease. Until next time, happy learning, and remember, improving your English can be as easy as pie with the right resources and a bit of practice. Goodbye for now.